We'll be deprecating S1 soon, so if you have S1 built campaigns that you'd like to keep, you'll need to update them to the newest version of our builder, S2. It's really simple to do, but before getting into how S1 campaigns can be updated to S2, there are a few limitations you'll need to know about. If your campaign uses widgets that aren't supported by S2, they won't be included in your updated campaign. These are the widgets not supported in S2. We've deprecated these widgets mostly due to their lack of use, but if your campaign uses one of them, you can replace it with a workaround in your new S2 campaign. For example, if you were using the Google Analytics widget, you could use S2's tracking widget instead. Another limitation is in template functionality issues. If the template you're using doesn't function correctly after updating it, we recommend rebuilding it in the S2 version of that same template. Now, here's how to upgrade your S1 campaign to S2. Open the campaign you would like to upgrade in the Campaign Builder. Click on the name of the campaign in the top left corner. Select Upgrade Campaign to S2 in the drop-down menu. This pop-up will open in a new tab. Give your campaign a new name and choose whether to copy or keep the existing list attached to the original campaign. When you're ready, click Upgrade Campaign. Your new S2 campaign will open in the ShortStack Builder. If you can't find a workaround for unsupported widgets, or there is no S2 version of the template you're using, we're happy to help you find a solution. Reach out to us at the team at shortstacklab.com.